Hello, today I'm going to be explaining how we replace an air filter on an X-High. So to begin, our filters are actually located right on top. So we're just going to take our T25 and loosen up the 6 bolts around the filter. And this will actually give us access right to our filter. As you can see, our air filters will actually collect a lot of dust and particles before they enter into our engine. And this is really important to change the filters because it helps better airflow into the engine, which gives you better fuel economy and better engine performance. And it also helps collect all of these particles before entering into the engine, which could damage other components as well. So then we're just going to take our new filter, and it will actually just slide right in. Close our cover, take our T25 and just seal the filter back in. And that's it. Thank you for watching.